Good morning, students. In last lecture, we had completed unit number 3 up to activity number 7. Let's see the activity number 8. In the story, we saw that the boat makes a whir whir sound. स्टोरी में हमने देखा कि बोट whir whir जैसा साउंड करती है. Do you know any more words that indicate sound? Write them here. आप कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स को जानते हैं जो साउंड करते हैं, जैसे बोट विर विर साउंड करती है वैसे. ऐसे वर्ड्स का आपको यहाँ पे लिस्ट बनाना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टिक टॉक, साउंड ऑफ अ क्लॉक. क्लॉक का साउंड क्या होता है? टिक टॉक. नेक्स्ट, बेल. बेल का साउंड क्या होगा? डिंग डोंग. D-I-N-G-D-O-N-G, ding dong. नेक्स्ट है रेन. रेन का साउंड पिटर पैटर. पिटर पैटर. कैमरा. कैमरा का साउंड क्लिक क्लिक. क्लिक क्लिक. एरोप्लेन. एरोप्लेन का साउंड जूम. लाफ्टर. लाफ्टर का साउंड हा हा. हॉर्स. हॉर्स का साउंड क्लिप क्लॉप. क्लिप क्लॉप. ओके, सो ये वर्ड्स आपको यहाँ पे लिखने हैं. नाउ लेट्स सी द एक्टिविटी नंबर 9. Read the story again and arrange the sentences in proper order. Write the number of the sentences in the boxes given. यहाँ पे कुछ सेंटेंसेस दिए गए हैं जिसको हमें नंबर्स में अरेंज करना है स्टोरी के अकॉर्डिंग. सो स्टोरी में कौन सा सेंटेंस पहले आता है उसके आगे हमें जो बॉक्स दिया गया है उसमें 1 नंबर लिखना है. उसी तरह से सभी सेंटेंस के आगे जो बॉक्स दिए गए हैं उसमें नंबर्स लिखने हैं. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे कुछ सेंटेंसेस दिए गए हैं, वो रीड करते हैं. First one, Dhruv came there and said, "Let's sail it in the bathtub." Suddenly, Jia's boat broke into pieces and she started crying. Jia was happy because her boat went past quickly and left all the boats behind. Dhruv stopped going to Jia's home. The rain stopped and all the children went to the stream and put their boats in it. Jia was happy because her father gave her a little toy boat as a birthday gift. They became friends again. So Dhruv was hurt. Jia was happy with her toy boat, but after few days she began to get bored. One day it was raining and Jia was at home. Jia showed her boat to her friend Dhruv. Dhruv wanted to sail the boat, but Jia did not allow him. But Jia did not care. Jia also went to the stream and put her boat in it. So students, यहाँ पे 14 सेंटेंस दिए गए हैं. आपको स्टोरी रीड करके उसमें से यहाँ पे जो सेंटेंस के आगे बॉक्स दिया गया है उसमें नंबर अरेंज करने हैं. See the activity number 10. Read and enjoy. Rain, rain, rain. It's raining today. I hear the rain pitter patter. On the roof I love to play in rain, and that with my boat I love the rain. Let's repeat this poem. Rain, 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 it's raining today. I hear the rain pitter patter. On the roof I love to play in rain, and that with my boat I love the rain. Now see here, create a jingle about. यहाँ पे एक सेंटेंस दिया गया है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इस तरह से हमें करना है. If I were the rain, I would make puddles dropping from the high sky. ठीक है, इसी तरह से हमें यहाँ पे अम्ब्रेला का करना है. If I were an umbrella, I would sing and dance with little children in the rain. If I were an umbrella, I would sing and dance with little children in the rain. Next one. If I were a rainbow, I would touch the earth and make everything very, very colorful. If I were a rainbow, I would touch the earth and make everything very, very colorful. If I were the rain, I would make puddles dropping from the high sky. If I were an umbrella, I would sing and dance with little children in the rain. Next one. If I were a rainbow, I would touch the earth and make everything very, very colorful. So students, you have to complete activity number 8, 9 and 10 in textbook. Now, let's see in workbook. Unit 3, birthday gift bought. First one, read the paragraphs and answer the questions. See the first paragraph. Jia's father gave her a little boat as a birthday gift. It was a beautiful red boat with a milk white sail. Jia wound it up and it sailed in the big bathtub filled with water. See the questions. First one. What did Jia's father give her? Answer is, Jia's father gave her a little boat. Jia's father gave her a little boat. Second one. Describe the boat. Answer is, it was a beautiful red boat with a milk white sail. It was a beautiful red boat with a milk white sail. Third question. Write the correct option A, B, C or D in the box given. First one. The boat had a blank sail. Options are red, blue, milk white or yellow. Answer is milk white. So write here MILKWHITE, milk white, and write here C. Next, Jia sailed the boat in a blank. Options are puddle, bathtub, bucket or pond. Answer is bathtub. So write here bathtub and write here B. See the second paragraph. Jia was excited. She called her friend Dhruv and showed him the boat. It is a beautiful boat, but does it really sail? Asked Dhruv. Of course, Jia said. She slowly wound the key and put the boat in the bathtub. With a whir, the boat set off, going round and round, creating ripples. So, इसी तरह से आपको ये सेकेंड पैराग्राफ के नीचे क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं, उसके आंसर्स लिखने हैं. ये आपको होमवर्क में करना है. So students, you have to complete unit number 3 Question number 1K, paragraph number 1, 2, 3 and 4 in workbook.